Assign a task in Jira. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because assigning tasks in Jira helps teams organize responsibilities and improve collaboration. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 by typing the website address into the browser search bar. Choose the login method you want to use according to your preference, for example using a Google account for a faster and easier login process. Select the account you want to use for managing your Jira workspace and projects. Click Continue to proceed to the Jira dashboard and access your available spaces or boards inside the platform. Select the space you want to use according to your project management needs. Click Create to create a task in the column you want to use if you do not already have a task inside the board. Next, type your Jira task name according to your needs so the task becomes easier to identify and organize later. Click on the work type icon to open the available task type options inside Jira. Select the work type according to your needs so the task category matches the type of work or project activity you want to manage. Click the Create Work Item button to create the task inside the selected Jira board column. Click the Assign icon to assign the task to a team member or collaborator inside the Jira workspace. Choose the member you want to assign the task to according to your workflow requirements and team responsibilities. Now you have successfully assigned the task inside Jira. For the second method, click on the task you want to assign if the task has already been created previously inside the Jira workspace. Click the Assign icon again to open the member assignment options. Choose the member you want to assign the task to from the available member list inside Jira. Now you have successfully assigned the task using the second method inside Jira. You can continue assigning tasks to different team members according to your workflow needs to improve collaboration, organize project responsibilities, and manage work distribution more efficiently inside your Jira workspace overall for teams or collaborative projects.